Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. So today we are going to learn worksheet, English worksheets. Everyone take out your English worksheet first, and this one is for grade senior KG. Now our first question is, choose the correct word from the box and complete each sentences. Choose the correct word from the box and complete each sentences. Okay, now first one is, the sun is rise in day. The sun, which picture is this? Sun. Okay, picture of sun. So sun is rise in day, but the moon is rise in night. And what is the spelling of night? N-I-G-H-T, night. Okay, now second one is, an apple is sweet. An apple is sweet, but an orange is sour. What is the spelling of sour? S-O-U-R, sour. S-O-U-R, sour. Sour यानी कि खट्टा. And sweet यानी मीठा, tasty. Okay, the box is closed. The box is closed, but the box is open. ये box कैसा है? Close है. और ये कैसा है? Open है. So close, open. O-P-E-N, open. Okay, day, night, sweet, sour, close, open. Okay, these are opposite word. Now question number 1B. Look at the picture and write correct word by using these or that and these or those in given blanks. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको? These और that लिखना है और these और those भी लिखना है यहाँ पे. Okay, so let's start to first recognize where is the picture, then we write its position. It means these और that लिखना है हमें. यहाँ नज़दीक हो तो क्या लिखना है? These लिखना है. दूर हो तो हमें क्या लिखना है? That लिखना है. और नज़दीक में है, हमारे पास में है और बहुत सारे हैं तो क्या लिखना है? These, T-H-E-S-E, these. और दूर है और बहुत सारे हैं तो T-H-O-S-E, those लिखना है. Okay, let's start to write here. First one is, blank is the sun. Blank is the sun and we indicate by one arrow. Sun कहाँ पे है? दूर है. Okay, because we indicate by one arrow. So everyone write here that, T-H-A-T, that. Okay, now second one is, blank are pots. And we indicate by one arrow, and here how many pots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pots are here. So that's why we use here those. T-H-O-S-E, those. So write down here everyone, T-H-O-S-E, those. T-H-O-S-E, those. Those are pots. Okay, now blank is a pen. Blank is a pen. Blank is a pen and here one pen. और कहाँ पे है? उसको हमने एरो से इंडिकेट नहीं किया है तो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे हम? These, T-H-I-S, these, T-H-I-S, these. Okay, now blank is an egg. This is an egg because it is near with us. So we write here this. Okay, now fifth one, blank is a fan. Blank is a fan. Where is fan? We indicate by one arrow. So that's why it means वो कहाँ पे है? दूर है. So that's why we use here that. T-H-A-T, that. That is a fan. Okay, now sixth one, blank are apples. Blank are apples. 1, 2, 3. How many apples are here? 3 apples are here. और वो कहाँ पे है, नज़दीक में है, हमने इंडिकेट एरो से नहीं किया है। तो कौन सा स्पेलिंग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम, दीज और दोज, दीज, बट विच दीज, THESE, दीज, THESE, दीज। ओके, नाउ एवरीवन टर्न योर पेज। Question next one is question number 5. Read the questions and write the answer. Read the question and write the answer. But here one correction. Yes, it has. Okay, and यहाँ पे और लिखे है, क्या लिखना है, No, it hasn't. No, it hasn't. Okay, now what is the meaning of has? Has is shows us ऑनरशिप। हैज़ क्या दिखाता है, ऑनरशिप दिखाता है। ये पेंसिल है और ये पेंसिल मेरे पास है तो मैं बोलूँगी आई हैव पेंसिल, आई हैव पेंसिल। और हैज़ कब यूज़ करते हैं, ही शी इट के साथ हम हैज़ को यूज़ करते हैं। इट मीन्स हैज़ क्या दिखाता है, ऑनरशिप दिखाता है। यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कि हैज़ जो है, यहाँ पे हैज़ दिया गया है, वो ऑनरशिप दिखाता है। ओके, नाउ अ डॉग हैज़ अ टेल, अ डॉग हैज़ अ टेल। डॉग के पास अब उसकी क्या है, टेल, पूंछ है। ओके, सो यस, YES, यस, इट हैज़। ओके, and then full stop. Now a snake has legs, a snake has legs. Snake को legs होते हैं, yes or no? No. So write down here everyone, no, N-O, no. It, I-T, it hasn't. H-A-S-N-T, hasn't. Full stop. Okay. Now a camel has a hump, a camel has a hump. ये जो है उसकी खून जैसा, उसको क्या कहते हैं, हम्प कहते हैं। ओके, अ कैमल हैज़ अ हम्प, कैमल को हम्प होता है, यस। सो राइट डाउन हियर YES, यस, इट हैज़, full stop. And an elephant has a trunk, an elephant has a trunk. So yes, because it has a trunk. Yes, it has, comma, it has. Okay, this one is new. Now next question is question number 4. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Okay, look at here everyone. How many trees are here? 1, 2, 3. How many trees are here? 3 trees are here. So that's why we write which one is correct in these three. Which one is correct sentence in these three? This one, because we indicate by one arrow and these are here, many trees are here. Okay, many trees are here. So that's why we write here those are trees, those are trees. This one is THESEARER, trees. These are trees, these are trees. बट हमने तो एरो से उसको इंडिकेट किया है, दैट्स वाई क्या आएगा, दैट और दोस, दैट और दोस आएगा। दैट नहीं आ सकता क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 ट्री नहीं है, बहुत सारे ट्री है, एक से ज़्यादा है, तो इसलिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, दोज यूज़ करेंगे। ओके, सो राइट डाउन हियर एवरीवन, दोज, THOSE, दोज, ARER, trees, TREES, trees. Okay, the second one is these are pots, that is a pot, those are pots. Here we indicate by arrow or not. Here we indicate by arrow or not. नो, हमने यहाँ पे एरो से इंडिकेट नहीं किया है। इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि वो नज़दीक में है और एक से ज़्यादा है, तो क्या आएगा, दीज आर पॉट्स, दीज आर पॉट्स। एवरीवन राइट हियर दीज, THESE, दीज, ARER, pots, POTES, pots, full stop. Okay everyone, so like this, complete at your home this page, this worksheet with good handwriting. Thank you everyone.